have some breaking news coming in. Shashi Tharoor, in fact, has been rushed to the All India Institute of Medical Sciences. This after he complained of chest pain as well as breathing problem. Shashi Tharoor is reportedly in a state of shock and he's traumatized after his wife was found dead in mysterious circumstances at a Delhi hotel. He's at the moment at the All India Institute of Medical Sciences in the national capital, where he is being treated. And that's the latest we're getting to you at this point. Seema Kaul, in fact, is joining us from outside AIIMS. Seema, what's the latest? Is the minister stable now?
Well, reports are coming in that they shifted him as quickly as possible into the ICU because they just didn't want to take any chances. We, of course, know that it's definitely linked to the shock of finding his wife dead in the hotel room last evening. And that shock seems to have taken its toll on his health, which is why he's complained of chest pain. There was also a report that he had breathlessness as well. So he was rushed to the ICU. They just didn't want to take any chances whatsoever. Now reports are coming in that he has somewhat stabilized and is likely to be shifted to the general ward soon. So that is the slight reassurance that we have got, that his situation has stabilized a bit. But we know for sure that the doctors will be keeping a very, very close eye on him because the circumstances of the way his wife's body was found was very, very shocking, and it has triggered off a lot of media interest, a lot of speculation. The circumstances of the way his wife's body was found was very, very shocking, and it has triggered off a lot of media interest, a lot of speculation. There's also the entire mystery of what was the exact cause of death. It comes just hours after there were a lot of tweets going back and forth about some sort of trouble between Tharoor and his wife, and there was an angle also of the possible involvement of a Pakistani journalist. So all these things adding up together has definitely taken its toll on the minister, and he's found himself admitted to AIIMS.
Understandably so, Seema Kaul, but we understand that the Delhi police have already questioned the minister. And do we know more about where he was all through the night? It was a long night of despair for Shashi Tharoor along with his family. Who accompanied him through the night? How did he spend his night? Do we know more details with regards to that?
He definitely must have been very restless and disturbed after finding out, and of course, if he's undergone questioning already, definitely it wouldn't have been a very peaceful state of a night for him. There must have been a lot of people calling up, a lot of condolence messages would have been pouring in. Of course, the Prime Minister has expressed his condolence. There are a lot of family and friends who have come forward and expressed their shock on finding out the news. So it's been a very, very difficult night for the minister. That goes absolutely without saying. So definitely it would have been very tough, and he would have had very, very little rest as such, which is probably why he found himself, his health deteriorating, and that taking its toll on his health.
All right, Seema Kaul, do stay with us.